My name is Atul Bhoye. Today is my topic binomial distribution and presentation. Contains introduction, what is binomial distribution and definition of binomial distribution, assumptions of binomial distribution, problems and conclusion, reference. Introduction. Binomial distribution was discovered by James Bernoulli in 1738. This is a discrete probability distribution. A discrete probability distribution applicable to the scenarios where the set of possible outcomes is discrete, such as a coin toss or a roll of dice, can be included by a discrete list of the probability of the outcomes known as a probability mass functions. What is binomial distribution? The word binomial literally means two members. A binomial distribution for a random variable x, known as binomial variable, is one is which there are only two possible outcomes, success and failure, for a finite number of trials. Not that, however, we define success and failure, the two events must be mutually exclusive and complementary, that is, they cannot occur of the same time. Mutually exclusive and the sum their probability is 100% complementary. Definition of binomial distribution. If x is a discrete random variable with probability mass functions, binomial distribution formula: Px is equal to NC xpx 1 minus p bracket complete n minus x, where x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, n and q is equal to 1 minus p, then x is a binomial variable and the distribution of x is correct binomial distribution, and p bracket x is equal to x bracket complete is equal to cx px and 1 minus p bracket complete n minus x, where p q should be greater than 1. P plus q is equal to 1 because probability cannot be more than 1. X is a discrete random variable which may take on only countable member of distinct values such as 1, 2, 3, 4. Assumptions for binomial distribution. For each trial, there are only two possible outcomes on each trial: S success and F failure. 2. The member of trials n is failure. Finite. For each trial, the two outcomes are mutually exclusive. P is equal to is constant, P f is equal to q is equal to one point P. The trials are independent. The outcomes of trial is not affected by the outcome of any the trial. The probability of success P is constant from trial to trial 5. And problem. Conclusion. The binomial distribution is a discrete probability distribution used then there are only two possible outcomes for random variable success and failure. Success and failure are manually exclusive, cannot occur or the sum time. The binomial distribution assumes a finite number of trial n. For a binomial distribution to be applied, each success trial must be independent of a loss. That is, the outcomes of a previous trial has to bearing on the probability of success on subsequent trial. For example, if a new drug is introduced to cure a disease, it either cures the disease or doesn't cure the disease. If you purchase a lottery tickets, you are either going to money or you current. A machine is known to product on average 2% defective components. As an engineer, you might need to the probability then 3 items are defective in the next 20 product. Basically, anything you can think of that can only be a success or a failure can be represented by binomial distribution. And thank you.